Around the beach tennis courts at Tropicana, you will find plenty of teenagers and young adults spending their weeknights and weekends there. Playing a sport is a great way to keep healthy, but also it occupies time, limiting opportunity for the youth to be out on the streets or on their electronics for that matter. One of the most important aspects of the beach tennis sport on the island is the growing number of children and teenagers taking it up. Many have developed a passion for beach tennis. In order to be good at it means they have to train a lot, and practicing, of course, takes time.
For Aruba level, we need to progress more because we're not competing against the international level. So for us, we need to train more, be more, dedicate more. So yeah, training, it's all about training.
John Herrera is 22 years old, who spends a lot of time at the courts. When he is not training himself, he is part of the Caribbean Beach Tennis School, which gives lessons to kids.
It's a great sport because you're not on the street every time. You have league, so you can play every day. You have tournaments, and yeah, it's fun. If you try it one time, you will love it.
Those who play the sport guarantees you will love it.
I like it because the competition you get against other people, you see the audience that you have, so it's good. I like it. I only have 1.5 years playing.